There is absolutely nothing easy about the brachial plexus, from the textbook to the class lecture notes and even the cadaver lab. But you're here with RevMed, so we'll make it easier for you. Brachial plexus extends from root values of C5 to T1, coming off the anterior rami of the spinal nerves C5 to T1. We'll pair up these root values with our hand. The thumb is C5, index C6, middle C7, ring C8, and the pinky is T1. Great, now to draw the brachial plexus, we'll use the mnemonic "Read That Damn Cadaver Book." This stands for roots, trunks, divisions, chords, and branches. Okay, now let's draw it. First, list the 5 root values from your hand. Thumb C5, C6, C7, C8, and pinky T1. Now draw in 3 letter Ys, 2 going this way, and 1 going this way. Now draw in 2 letter Es. And finally, let's draw in 1 letter X. That's it. You drew a complete brachial plexus. Now keeping this in mind, read that damn cadaver book. Let's label. Now say it out loud as you label. Read roots, that trunks, damn divisions, cadaver chords, book branches. Okay, now you have the roots labeled. For the trunks, we'll label the top one superior, the middle one middle, and the bottom one inferior. Let's skip the divisions and go to the chords first. For chords, we'll label the top lateral towards the thumb because of C5, and so the bottom one will have to be medial. It's in the same line as the pinky, T1. Now the middle chord is labeled posterior. Coming back to the divisions, we have the first letter E. The blue lines of the letter E that are attached to the middle yellow Y, the posterior chord, are the posterior divisions because it's going towards a posterior chord, right? The red line forming the X is an anterior division. Okay, great. Now we can go to the next letter E. These are our branches. For this, we'll explore a really great mnemonic, so repeat after me. 3 musketeers, assassinated, 5 rats, 5 mice, and 2 unicorns. Okay, now don't forget, which fingers represent which root value. Remember, this is an anatomical position, so beginning with our thumb, C5, which is lateral, index, C6, middle, C7, ring finger, C8, and pinky, which is medial, closer to the body, it's T1. Now say it again. 3 musketeers, assassinated, 5 rats, 5 mice, and 2 unicorns. 3 musketeers. 3 will be for the root values, thumb C5, index C6, and middle finger C7. And M will be for the musculocutaneous nerve. Okay, let's label it on to our brachial plexus. 3 musketeers assassinated. Now look, to assassinate someone, you'll have to make a gun sign. You make this sign using your thumb and your index finger, C5 and C6. And assassinated begins with the letter A for axillary nerve. Okay, let's go ahead and list this one on our drawing. Assassinated for axillary. Please don't forget, thumb is for C5 lateral, index finger is for C6, middle for C7, ring finger for C8, and pinky for T1. 3 musketeers assassinated, 5 rats, and 5 mice. 5 means all 5 nerve roots, so all our fingers, and this is for 5 rats and 5 mice. The R in rats is for the radial nerve, and the M in mice is for the median nerve. Now let's label in our radial rats and our median mice in the next 2 positions. 3 musketeers assassinated, 5 rats, 5 mice, and 2 unicorns. 2 is for the last 2 fingers left, our ring finger C8 and our pinky T1. 2 unicorns. The U in unicorns is for the ulnar nerve. Nice, our last nerve for today is labeled onto our drawing, the ulnar nerve. Take out a piece of paper and actually draw this a few times. We'll get into part 2 of this video soon for labeling and the other key branches to know. If you'd like to see more of this lesson, head over to our Instagram page and TikTok channel at rev.med. We'll have this lesson along with many other topics for you to study. By the way, don't forget to do questions. Are you learning something from our videos? Well then click the subscribe button to your right. We are releasing high-yield lessons and ways for you to get ahead in class. Be sure to follow us on Instagram to take interactive quizzes and view your favorite diagrams. Nothing can stop you, but only if you believe in yourself. You got this.